everybody, let's go! We caught an absolute banger today. I'm going to show y'all what we did to secure $7.6 thousand. You guys can see, hold up, let me switch the screen. Right here is the trade that we took today. This is my trade copier data for the day. These were a bunch of trades that I took. This was just, this was to get an account pass. That's like really why I did that. But, the losses, that's combined across all accounts. Anyway, the statistic that you need to look at is the P&L because this is the trade that we took today. I'm going to show you guys execution so you know. Like I said, these trades that you see right here, like the $90, that was this just so I can pass the account. But yes, there was accounts that I passed, and then there was also my live funded accounts. I trade copy all my accounts. So, yeah, $7.6 thousand we made today. This is a power of 3 setup right here. You can see the execution, bang, right there. Anyway, let's get into the trade recap. This is how we secured a fat bag today. Basically, I was coming into the day. Obviously, price action the past week has been awful, but today it was absolutely beautiful. Even pre-market was looking fantastic. Look at this pre-market price action. Absolutely amazing. Now, the only thing that confused me a bit is that pre-market was great, and then New York Open, it's like, we crapped the bed. So, yeah, not very good. But what we end up happening is, I'm looking for the 10 a.m. power of 3 to play out. So what that means is that this 1 hour, you're looking for 1 hour and 15-minute PD raise if you're looking for the 10 a.m. 4-hour power of 3 candle. So what we see is we have this 1 hour gap, obviously, but inside of that 1 hour gap, we have this 15-minute gap as well. They're both bearish, and we tap like right into that literally by like 2 ticks, then we sell off. So the point of this is that the 4-hour candle opens, we open with the 4-hour candle right here. Let's say the 4-hour candle opens right here, like we do over here. We open. Normally, every 4-hour candle has a wick in both directions. So a high, open high, means that it's probably going to be a bearish candle. Low, close. That's literally what we have right here. We open, we high, and then we low, and then we close, right? This is a bearish 4-hour power of 3 candle. So what we see is, obviously, we come up. We open right here for 10 a.m. We high into this 1 hour and 15-minute PD array, and now we're expecting us to go low and then eventually close. We haven't closed yet, obviously, but that's the idea behind this trade. So what we see is 1 hour tap and a 15-minute tap into these both bearish PD arrays, and then what we see is a 1-minute change in state delivery, and we also get a 1-minute inversion fair value gap. Now, what do we do there? Obviously, we execute. Bang, that's where our first, that's where our entry is. This got super close to stopping us out. I was I'm telling you guys right now, if I would have gotten stopped out before this move, I probably would have lost my marbles. But we ended up getting really, I wouldn't say lucky because my stop losses are always like logical. But the fact that we did almost get ourselves stopped out, that would have been tragic. Anyway, yeah, so we enter right here. This is the trade that we take. Obviously, we see everything that we want to see. This is the candle that we enter on right here. We take a sell. Bang. Now, stop loss goes right up here. And then TP is down here at these internal lows near equilibrium. Obviously, with this 4-hour candle playing through the way we would like it to, we get super close to getting stopped. And then, obviously, we come down, make a clean move. At this point, stop was going to go break even. But I moved it to, I have this 30-second right here that I was looking at. I moved it to above this 30-second right there. And then eventually when we got lower, then I moved the stop to break even. And then you guys can see how this plays out. Obviously, an absolute banger trade. Beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful. But yeah, that's the trade recap that we took today. We also took one post or pre-market. It was just like a continuation play. You guys can go see that on Twitter. All of my trades are on Twitter. You guys can see literally every single trade that I take on Twitter. The link is going to be in the description. Go check that out. My Twitter is very active. I'm trying to grow on there too. So if you guys aren't already following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow that. Link is going to be in the description. Anyway, if you guys want to see all my trades, go check that out. I'm big on Twitter, okay? Go ahead and follow my Twitter. Anyway, yeah, bro. It was an absolute banger trade. We hit this live in front of everybody. Let me see if I can pull up the Discord. There's a bunch of people that took that with me today. But pretty much just like an absolute, like, it's just a beautiful day. A lot of people took a dub today. As you guys can see, I'll show you guys just inside the Discord. I'll have to move it a bit. You guys can see this is from today. Banger, 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 banger. And there's a couple other people who also took a banger in there. There's a P&L channel as well. You guys can see people bang, 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 all of it. You know, we're all eating. When I eat, my team eats, and that's why I do what I do. I make people money, and I get paid to do it, and it's a beautiful thing we have going on. Anyway, that's gonna be the trade recap for the day. If you guys want to, I'm uploading a new new video on my main YouTube channel, the vlog channel. I put an exhaust on my Corvette, so you guys can go check out that video. By the way, Instagram, Twitter, everything's gonna be in the description. Also, a free trading course also in the description. Everybody go check that out. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this trade recap, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Hopefully tomorrow we get another one. Peace, everybody.